Hi guys, Sachin here. Welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to be sharing with you how to identify a good solo ad vendor and a bad solo ad vendor, how to determine who are the vendors who are good solo ad provider and who are those who are bad ones, because it's really difficult to understand whom to trust when it comes to buying traffic. So in this video I'm going to be sharing with you some of my experiences, and in the long-term perspective I'm going to be sharing with you whose leads are going to be profitable in the long run, my friend. Okay, so this is going to be the two-part series video. So this is part number one, and because it's a really important topic and I don't want to cover it up in just one video, so there will be two parts for this video: how to identify a good solo ad vendor and a bad solo ad vendor. And the next part is going to be coming next week, so please stay tuned. So let's get started. Let's see what are the points which I think are important for you to understand. A good solo ad vendor, when you reach out to a good solo ad vendor, he will always answer all of your questions. Trust me, they are really helpful when it comes to serving their clients. They know each of my client is a recurring income for them. Okay, they understand it. If somebody is buying from them traffic one time, he probably understands that if I give him good results, he's gonna come back to me and buy over and over again. So one client is a recurring income for lifetime. They understand this concept, so they are always there to help you. Some of them are so helpful that they would get on a Zoom call with you. They would see your funnel. They would give you advice on how to optimize it to get maximum ROI. Okay, so really important to understand that the solo ad vendor which you are going to be buying traffic is willing to help you. Okay, bad solo ad vendor only replies. So if you send them message and send them like, I want to buy 100 clicks, they would not even reply to you. Okay, if you tell them I want to buy 1,000 clicks, instantly within seconds they would reply. So you kind of understand from this thing that whom to trust and whom to not. First, you need to basically ask questions to the solo ad vendor. I've got a different video for that. Please check out the description for that. 7 questions you should always ask a solo ad vendor before you buy traffic. Please check the description for that video. You should be always asking the questions, and a lot of time bad solo ad vendor would stop replying to you if you are not buying a big chunk of clicks. If you're buying just 100, 200 clicks, they would not even bother to reply to you. So in this way, you would identify them. And the second point is they would always help you in your funnel. They would see your funnel. They will see your squeeze page. They would tell you that this particular squeeze page would work really well with their list. They would give you suggestions based on their experience with their list. And bad solo ad vendor will only send traffic. They don't even care about your squeeze page, whatever you have. They would just grab your link and they would send out the traffic. And okay, most of them don't even ask you questions after the campaign is over, that how was your campaign. Rather, good solo ad vendor would always ask you, how was your campaign, how results were, did you get any sales. Okay, if you not get sales, how they are going to be helping you to get a decent return on investment, because they also understand that spending money is really tough this time. So they would always be eager to help you, because they don't want to lose you, my friend. Okay, you are an income stream for them, so they don't want to lose you. So they would always try to help you get maximum return on investment. Some of the vendors are so helpful that one of the vendor even got my affiliate link. He told me that I told him that I didn't get any sales. So what he did was he took my affiliate link and sent extra traffic to that affiliate link and got me sales. That much helpful good solo ad vendors are. Okay, and bad one only going to be sending good traffic. They don't even ask you how was the results, so you can identify easily. Okay, now this is important. Listen to this. How this good solo ad vendor and bad solo ad vendor send traffic. Trust me, this is the fact most people don't even know. Good solo ad vendor, they are going to be buying traffic from various different sources. There would be a squeeze page for them, and then there will be a thank you page. Then they would take them to the list Okay, they would be opting into the good solo and vendor list, and for the first 10 days, maybe 15 days, maybe 30 days, they would nurture those leads. They would ask them questions. They would like to know how these subscribers are facing problem in making money online. What are the problems? What kind of a budget they have? How great they are in taking action. They would identify, they would nurture them, they would educate them about how the affiliate marketing thing works. Okay, they would tell them real facts, and after 30 days, before the 30th day, they would pre-sell them. Okay, they would pre-sell them that I'm going to be sending you tomorrow a really great, honest offer from an honest person. I think it will help you. In this way, they would pre-sale your offer, and the next day, guess what? Whose squeeze page will be there? Yours. Okay, this is by far the best traffic you could ever get, my friend. Rather bad solar vendor, trust me. Squeeze page, and on the thank you page, there are 1 offer, 2 offer, 3 offer. Okay, offer number 1, offer number 2, offer number 3. So if you land on, they would add your link to here, either here or either here. Once they click on it, the click is over for them. They don't even think about it. They don't nurture this. So this guy is opting into the squeeze page. Again, he has to opt in into the squeeze page, which is sometimes irritating for a subscriber. So in this way, you have to seriously identify who is sending a quality traffic to you. Okay, the next point is traffic from the good solar vendor due to this 30-day nurture period is of really high opens. Okay, you would get a really high open rate in your email follow-up. Rather, traffic from this bad solar vendor is going to be pathetic. Maybe the first email follow-up they would open, the next time it will drop down to 1%, maybe less than that. Okay, then you would get frustrated. All right, from where they build a list is really important. Now, good solar vendor always build a list through media buys, search engine ads, YouTube ads, and they are always fresh. Now, how do they do this? Let me explain. So suppose there is a good solar vendor who has a squeeze page. Now, imagine in the United States, a person go to Google and he type in how to make money online, how to make money from home, and he lands on a lot of high authority websites. Now on that websites, there are banners. Okay, there are banner spots which are available to monetize. So these good solar vendor would place their squeeze page onto that banner, and it is high price renting, my friend. Sometimes even for a month they would charge like $5,000, $3,000 per month, which is really high price. But they know that the quality of that subscriber or the quality of that lead is going to be absolutely top notch, which is going to be really fresh. It is not on any other solo ad vendor list, so that would be a really fresh traffic. So they understand, and that is where they are ready to pay even the big dollar for that particular spot, my friend. Okay, on the other hand, the bad solo ad vendor would always build the list from other solo ad sellers. Okay, so they're going to be buying traffic from other solo ad sellers who are selling it for 25 cents per click, maybe 20 cents per click, maybe 35 cents per click, and then they're going to be selling it to you for 40 cents per click. Okay, in this way, they are just getting the same list from a lot of different vendors. So you would see when you buy traffic from a lot of cheap vendors, 3 to 5 cheap vendors, you would see same leads opting into your list. And this is something which has happened with me, my friend. All right, so trust me, you need to identify these things. Okay, 6. Okay, hardly would compromise with the price that they would sell. They would actually sell around 70 cents to $1.50 per click, maybe more than that. Okay, and this is relatively, I would agree on that. I'm going to be showing you the proof of that. Okay, let me show you. Okay, so this is one of the guys which I would highly recommend. His name is Angelo Sison. Now let me show you something that will shock you. This is his traffic page, and I can just zoom it out for you. Now trust me, when you see that this guy is making like a $4,000 every single day, he's getting like 4,000 clicks, and for that he's making $4,000 a day. Yesterday 5,000 clicks, $3,300. Current month $61,000. last month 66,000. So this guy is making around $4,000 per day. Trust me, why he would sell you traffic for 40 cents, my friend? Just think about it. Just think about it. It's complete waste of his traffic. He would never ever agree to sell his traffic for 40 cents. He will always want to sell it above $1, maybe 1.50, and which is fair because the quality of the traffic is going to be absolutely top notch. Just see the numbers, my friend. When this guy is making 60 grand in a month, why would he even need to sell the traffic? Okay, it's not a bread butter for him to sell traffic. Okay, this guy is making money, so he would be rather be making money without even selling the traffic. So that is so important. Okay, and most of the time the cheap solar vendor, a bad solar vendor, would always sell it for even 20 cents per click. There will be a Facebook group, but they would adjust the price. They would sell it for 25 cents, 35 cents, 40 cents, but at the end of the day, it's your money, my friend. That quality of traffic is not even worth. Okay, now of course, I just showed you that they make money through affiliate offers too. So selling clicks is not a only source for income. So I just showed you that this guy is making 60 grand in a month. Why would we sell his traffic? And for bad solar vendors, only selling traffic is the source of income. So you would see that bad solar vendor would always try to give you discount, and they would get the same list which is on the lot of different solar vendors list. So you seriously want to stay away from these vendors, because you may be paying a little cheap price, but the quality of the lead is gonna not make you any money in the long run, my friend. Okay, in the long run, 6 months, 7 months later, you will regret that you have got a pathetic leads on your account. All right, and the last point, which is they have their own list. They are having their own list. They don't want to sell the clicks most of the time, and these guys, bad solar vendor, always resell the clicks. So they may be buying traffic for 20 cents, 25 cents, and they will be selling it for 35 cents. So that 10 cents is their profit. A lot of different solar providers do these things. They are basically a reseller of traffic. They don't have their own list. You pay them money, they buy from somebody else and give the same traffic to you. That's just the game. So I would recommend, my friend, please identify the solar vendor. This guy, I would recommend Angelo Sison. You would find it on udimi.com. I'm going to be putting a link to the udimi.com right below. And Justin is something I would highly recommend, my friend. He is like my big brother, and he is so helpful, so helpful. He would get on a Zoom call also. He would identify your funnel. He would give you suggestions. He would try to tell you where you are going wrong, how your emails should be landed in inbox, all the affiliate marketing, email marketing stuff. These guys are really passionate about email marketing. So Justin is something I would highly recommend. And you can see over here, this guy would not sell for cheap, my friend. This guy are making that kind of money. So why would this sell? Okay, so this is the normal price of the traffic. So these guys, if I see, okay, you can see over here Angelo Sison's traffic point. Okay, they're not even selling close to 40 cents, 50 cents. So these are some of the points which you need to remember when identifying a good solar vendor and a bad solar vendor. Okay, in the next part, I'm going to be explaining a really, really cool way, and trust me, this is something you need to listen, my friend, because in the next part, I'm going to be telling you, if you buy from 4 solar vendor, which solar vendor you should be testing more, because the lead is important, my friend. The lead you get from a particular solar vendor is more important than the price, than the traffic quantity. Okay, so see you there in the next video, my friend. Let me know how you like this video. Let me know how you like this video. If you like it, you can click the like button. If you didn't like it, just click the dislike button. Let me know what you didn't like so that I can improve myself in my next video. See you there in the next video. Till the next time, have a great day. Bye-bye.